If we make rhino a proxy for landscape level and holistic conservation, then a whole lot of other things fall into place. And North Luangwa Conservation Project, who've been invested in this landscape for over 30 years, is an example of that. Rhinos is a key conservation focus, but around that is built these layers of support that go from within protecting the whole area, and then also making sure that people's livelihoods and understanding of why this project is important is linked very much to rhino conservation.
The way that we are ensuring that we're sustainable in the long term is by ensuring that we create strong partnerships, strong conservation partnerships and strategic partnerships. So that's both at a local level within the landscape, but also with key implementing partners and key strategic partners, such as the Rhino Recovery Fund, and ensuring that we stand together and we create the resilience needed within the operations, but also within the landscape to be able to stand the test of time.
We are up and we're coming to the centre of your orbit soon.
So keep going straight, 100 meters, just keep going straight.
It's coming towards us. Okay, Dodson.
The scouts, the staff are all largely local, and that brings an economy to their homes and to their families, making these rhinos relevant to them. And that's exactly what we're trying to achieve. Rhinos with their horns on, breeding in the wild, protected by the very people that live in and around this landscape. Fantastic outcome, and that's what the Rhino Recovery Fund wants to support.
If they were not rhinos here, all those people whom we are supporting to schools, they wouldn't have been there. So they are very, very important to us.
I think we have created an environment whereby everyone is appreciating within Zambia and GNPW. They are really benefiting from this, what we are doing in conserving the wildlife, because it is providing jobs to our communities. Without rhinos, I couldn't be employed.
So our mission is to link livelihoods and the landscape. And so our people are part of the North Luangwa ecosystem, and they play a key role. Community involvement and participation is key to protecting the resource that we have.
Bachipembere epobaishira kwena kwaba chenji ikalamba nearly every year kulaba okulunda ababonfi kaili n'abantu balasekeramu.
So the partnership with the North Luangwa Conservation Project is successful because we want to achieve holistic rhino outcomes. They want to achieve that as part of their project outcomes. So we do need to have examples of where you can actually achieve that and how it's being done. And they've really shown that. No rhinos poached in the last 2 decades, successfully recovering a population, a large landscape footprint, politically accepted, and the communities in the areas recognize that this adds value to their livelihoods. And that's what we need to replicate and scale in many other areas. And for us to be able to show that also as a funder, this is a good example.